We're on this unusual 1991 emergency radio. So it's one of those emergency kit ones where you can add a battery to it and you can plug lots of other things in. I'll try and be as visual as I can be with it. I'm not that satisfied with the receive on this. We're looking at 1.5 microvolt sensitivity, but I've never seen another one. We've got no circuit diagrams. So, you know, what do you do? Right, if you saw the tune-up, you'll see it's an interesting set which we had to build some jigs to actually be able to service. So see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. I'll start off on low power. We'll tweak it to make a Chippie channel. It's been well used, this, so it's obviously worked satisfactory for somebody. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yep, I'm just make sure you're there. I've got the receive coming over the Tango system. I'll just have to sort that out.
Yeah, roger that.
Some of you will know that I have Fidelity 3000 in a cupboard which feeds our Tango system on channel 31. I've just had to turn the volume down. Okay, back with you.
Yep, roger that. Are you ready to go?
Roger Dodger.
Roger, off we go then.
Roger. So we can't plug an extension speaker in this, we have to rely on a little 2-inch speaker. So let's see how we go. You can turn the display off and save power.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Yep, roger on that.
No tone control?
Oh yeah, no, it's a set which doesn't. No, thanks for checking.
Roger that.
It does have an electret microphone, so it doesn't use the speaker, so that's good.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger, a bit of a buzz on that. Would that be normal?
It's not intended to be operated off the mains, it's a emergency set over.
Alright, fair enough.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, even though we're not late.
Well, it closes at 7. It's 25 to 8, so there you go.
What was you do just for our test?
Roger.
Get the time advertised.
Well, at the moment, unleaded wise, it's cheaper than anybody else. It's certainly cheaper than Aldi in town. Sorry, not Aldi. Aldi don't sell petrol. Asda in town's dearer than that. So is everybody else, I think.
Yeah, it's gone bonkers, hasn't it?
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
What have you got you going through Ancaster Crossroads? Got you the top of the hill. Roger, I've got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Midland 77-9145 emergency and thoughtful. Over.
Yeah, Roger, that's the one I made the lead for, I believe.
That's the one which you can't do anything with if you open it up. So I set it to 441 out at the moment.
Yeah, Roger that. I'll receive. Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, you're the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Looks like you had the Greyleys turn.
Roger. No, 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. No, that's what I got. I'm on the Midland 779145 emergency service, which is from July 91. And it's doing a 4 watt output. And what I'm going to do is put it on to low power, which I've been able to set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low power. The radio is now doing 400 milliwatts, going 368 milliamps. Put it back on to higher power. There we are back on full power. 1.1 amps of this. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received pretty well on both, despite it being a bit noisy on the band tonight.
Excellent. Off you go. You ready?
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 136.9, 139.7.
Excellent, that works a lot better than I was expecting, so thanks for that.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Okay.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 136.9, 139.7.
Excellent, that worked a lot better than I was expecting, so thanks for that.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Okay, so as ever, I couldn't get brilliant figures. As I've said, I'll start this again. As ever with sets like this, which are a phono connector, it's just inherently lossy. And it's like with the realistic handhelds, we can never get a true reading of receive because you've got the loading core for the screw thread aerial that comes with this in the kit originally. You've got that kind of dragging on the circuit. So that worked what I'd expect from any set that's doing better than 1 microvolt. So that's a satisfactory test. We'll go over to our base station. He says there's a hum on transmitter, which it probably is, because that's not intended to be run off a mains power supply. So there's not going to be any filtering for that. Right, go over to the Midland 76900 base station, see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 779145 emergency setting to our Midland 76900 base station. This is at full power 4 watts, 131345, 54321, and of course it's on the electroactive mic which is built into this product. Go over to low power, which is set for 400 milliwatts, and there we go on to low power, testing 123, 54321, and back to full power, and there we are back on full power.